In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to JPEG in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top here, and you want to go to File, and from here, you want to click on Export, and then Export to Image or Images. Now, when you click that, it's going to open up the Export to Image tab here, and of course, you can select different page ranges over here, of course, depending on whatever you want to export. And here where it says Save As, you want to click on here, and you actually want to change this into JPEG, and when you've done that, of course, you can select your destination folder if you want to, and then just basically set the file name, the export mode, etc. I'm actually going to save this into my downloads folder. There we go. I'm going to select that, and of course the rest is up to you. Now when you've done that, click on OK over here, and this is basically going to get exported. As you can see, it actually opened up my downloads folder over here, and as you can see, this is basically exported as 3 different JPEG images, and I can just open these, and you can see these are basically the images of my PDF. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.